Hey traders, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language on the TradingView mobile application. So let's get started. First, open your TradingView app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Now go to the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, usually at the bottom right. Now tap on the settings icon at the top right. In the settings menu, find and tap language. Here you will see a full list of supported language from English, Spanish, Chinese and more. Just select the language you want and the app will instantly switch everything to your preferred language. And that's how easy it is to change the language in the TradingView mobile application. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more TradingView mobile tutorials. Comment below and tell me which language you are using TradingView in. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.